Alright, so I'm Andy from Canadian Reload Radio, and today we're doing the exploding pumpkin test. So as you can see, we got a pumpkin. I filled it with water and then jammed 2 wood dowels into it to contain the water, and we're going to see if we can get enough hydraulic shock when I hit it with the 308 to actually get more than just the self-healing effect that we normally get from pumpkins. So let's give her a go. Holy sh! Alright, so there you have it. That is how you blow a pumpkin up. I'm Andrew Craig from Canadian Reload Radio saying, now you know.